All right, welcome back. This is just gonna be a quick video on NAS. We're just going to look at where the buyers are. Before I do, let's quickly look at this particular Shandis right here. Okay, so right, for those who've been asking for the live trading room, it is finally up. So I'm gonna share this link with you down in the description below, or you can simply click on this pop-up button. You see this thing here. Just click there, it's gonna direct you to this. So this is more of, I don't want to call them signals, but this is where we're going to trade together live on Zoom. So go ahead, check it out, click on buy there. That's like that's almost like $500 per month if you think about it. That's for 2 months, 2 months subscription. So divide this by two, you're gonna get around about 500 rands, which is about $30 or so. Okay, so go ahead, daily Zoom live sessions. We trade London, New York, and Sydney together. We trade currencies and we'll trade indices. So we get to trade together, we calculate the risk together. And yes, that's it. That's it. So that's it for that. Check it out. Click on that buy there, and then it's gonna take you to this membership shandies there. Make sure that you've clicked on the correct membership. Make sure that the price is correct, and then fill in, create your account there. Once you're done, submit and check out. Okay, so on checkout you'll be redirected to PayFast, which is a payment gateway. That's where you're gonna make payments and all that. So please don't ask me for account numbers and all those things. You do everything on the website, and you'll get the Telegram link in there to the groups. You will get the Telegram link in there. Okay, so if you go to curriculum here, you will see the Telegram channel. So because I'm not logged in, it's gonna say something like this content is protected, please enroll, blah 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 blah. Okay, so you're gonna get the risk, the journal, and the trading plan. I will add maybe 2 strategies as a bonus there. So don't go ahead, check that out if that's your thing. If not, just watch this video, stay and watch this video if that's not your thing. Unfortunately, we don't do join Maslal Sani. Yeah, so okay, let's identify our bias. The daily bias super far away. Okay, let's move. We're not interested. H4 bias, very engaging. At some point we've seen price coming down to 13,200 as projected on the previous video. Go ahead and check out that video if you haven't. And if we've moved down, yes, there is a possibility of seeing a quick spike to the downside to test this particular point, because this is a very significant zone. Okay, we could see a quick spike and then move back up. Like I said previously on that video, that if we see that quick spike, then it means that at the time of releasing earnings, we're going to be looking at that. Go and check that video why I'm looking for buys on earnings. Okay, but whatever that I do, I apply proper risk management, because trading the news sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times, it is very very dangerous because of increased volatility. So make sure that you have a stop that is calculated. I've done a whole video. Let me link it up here. So if you click on this pop-up banner there, you will see that video. You will see how not to blow your account. If you follow what I've said on that video, chances of you blowing accounts, they become almost impossible. But if you break the rules that I've said there, you're definitely going to blow accounts. So this one, H4, this is feasible. Like I said before, price could come back down to this particular level and start buying from there. Let's look at the next bias. Okay, in anticipation of positive earnings, I'm looking to buy the Nasdaq. Okay, so this one's much closer. I don't like it when buyers are super closer or sellers are super close, because this allows only those who want to trade 5 minutes, those lower time frames, to actually take trades. Okay, if you look at this ones, they're getting much closer, and it becomes dangerous, because if they're much closer and price keeps on playing around that, it means there isn't enough room for correction. Therefore, price could just violate that and create a very deep sort of a correction in the form of a zigzag, and then comes back up. Okay, that is a possibility. Find out more about that in the course. The course, where's the course? The complete course. That is where you're gonna find more about that particular shandies. Okay, the complete course. That is where you will see strategies and all that. This one right here. Okay, so if you click on the complete course, click on it, click on buy the course, click again on buy now. All right, click on discount. Yeah, type VIN55, all caps, VIN55, apply. You can see this is 3,99999. If you apply that VIN55, it goes down to 2,99999. So this is the lifetime shandies you get. My analysis, signals, strategies, everything that I'm showing you here, you're gonna see it on the other side nicely. And I think that's a reasonable fee for lifetime because we'll be having Zoom sessions and all the shandies. Okay, so back to the charts. Brr, that super close, and we could be looking at this particular shandies and thinking if it breaks that, then we could hide our stop loss there. But because there are news, yes, that is most likely to take place, and we could see a whole lot of huge candles printing out. But I'm more on the buy side. Check out the previous video as to why I'm more on the buy side. But you can see the 15 minutes bias, I'm not interested. To wrap this video up, the 30 minutes, I'm not interested. H1 from here, I am interested in H4. These are the two buyers that I'd like to sort of engage, H1 and H4 buyers, because they're a little bit far. So chances of us getting a nice correction, they are very high. Otherwise, let me shut this video. If you like this video and you've watched it up to here, don't forget to move a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you wanna be part of the live trading, it's only for Feb. So make sure by 1st of Feb, I'm gonna close it. No one will be allowed from the 1st of Feb. Okay, for the next 2 months. So if you're thinking you'll join next month, unfortunately, I need to finish for the first 2 months. We need to finish together. I'm not gonna add people in the middle. So it's Feb and March. Then it means I'm gonna create another one in April and June. So if you are waiting for April, you will wait for. If you don't enroll now, you will have to enroll in April. So that is the shandies, because I don't wanna have a lot of people jumping in, jumping out. So make sure that you catch that one out. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be interesting. Otherwise, keep well, and please, I urge you guys to actually use proper risk management. Use proper risk management. Don't be deceived by what us mentors do. We place a lot of trades on a very tiny account. That is not sustainable. Okay, over a long time, I mean long period of time, it's not sustainable. That is why a lot of you say, "Ah, I've been trading for 6 years, but I'm still struggling." No, you guys are just doing it wrong. You can't deposit 10,000 rands and open 20 trades on Nasdaq, and then you expect it to move nicely when it move against you. Just a slight retracement is going to blow your account. So make sure that you do things properly. I beg you guys, I know it's your money and all that, but it's painful to see people saying, no, I just blew this much. And when you look at what they did, they actually placed more trade and actually exhausted their margin. So make sure that you take care of your money, take care of your capital. Otherwise, sharp.